Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream for cake. To begin, gather your ingredients: cold heavy cream, powdered sugar, and your chosen flavorings. Ensuring your cream is very cold is crucial for successful whipping. We'll cover the ideal ratios and the best methods to combine them for a smooth, stable, and delicious frosting that holds its shape beautifully on any cake. For the best cake cream, always start with very cold heavy cream, ideally with a milk fat content of 35% or higher. This ensures a stable whip. Gradually add powdered sugar, not granulated, as it dissolves better and helps stabilize the cream. A good starting ratio is about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar per 1 cup of heavy cream, adjusting to your taste. Don't forget a splash of vanilla extract for classic flavor. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk attachment for 15 minutes before you start can significantly speed up the whipping process. Begin whipping your cold heavy cream on a low speed, then gradually increase to medium-high. Watch carefully as the cream thickens. You're looking for stiff peaks that hold their shape when the whisk is lifted. Stop immediately once stiff peaks form to prevent over-whipping, which can make the cream grainy. If your cream turns out too thin, you can often rescue it by adding a little more powdered sugar or a commercial cream stabilizer. If you accidentally overwhip it and it becomes grainy, try gently stirring in a tablespoon of liquid heavy cream to smooth it out. For storage, keep your finished cake cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. And hey, for other great kitchen finds, like those amazing leak-proof containers for meal prep, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.